In this video, I'll show you how to remove the sun visors of your Volkswagen Tiguan. So open your sun visor and remove it from the bracket over here. And now you need a flathead screwdriver to remove the cap that is hiding the screw. So simply take your flathead screwdriver, could be a butter knife, something like that. And here we go, I have removed this cap. Now you need a T15 screwdriver because this is a Torx T15 screw. Alright, once you have removed the screw, I suggest you put back the sun visor in this position. Put your hand on the top and simply pull towards the windshield and then pull down. Okay, so pull towards the windshield and down. You're gonna have this small connector if your car has lighted mirrors, and to remove it you need to press on the latch that is right in the middle. Take your flathead screwdriver if you don't have nails and press on the latch. It's a bit hard to do it with one hand, but let me do it. Here we go. So by doing this you have released the sun visor and you are good to go. You can replace it, simply plug it, put back the sun visor, okay, glide it inside, put the screw back, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.